magic tricks.
Okay, tell me again.
Magic tricks.
Okay, go ahead.
The third one, I'm gonna make this bunny in my hat.
You pull a rabbit out of your hat?
Yeah.
Yep.
Now don't pee.
Okay, I won't. I'm not looking. Oh, I hear your magic wand.
Huh?
I hear your magic wand.
Okay. Watch this.
Okay.
You have to say the magic word.
Yeah. Abracadabra.
Woo, yay!
You can pet him.
Oh, thank you. Oh, he's so soft.
That's a nice button.
That was a very good trick.
Thank you. And my next one is, I will make my ball disappear.
You make up, honey?
Yay. What is your name, magician?
Sasha.
Sasha the Great?
Oh, you are adorable. Wave your magic wand so I can hear it.
Oh, I forgot to turn it on.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Yay.
Yay! Sasha the Great.
Now I will make the bunny disappear.
All right.
Magic.
Okay.
Alright, here it goes.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Yay! Fantastic.
I will make it reappear.
Okay.
Yeah.
With my magic
Wand.
wand. La la la.
Very good. Yay! Good job. Take a bow. Dun, 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 dun. Yay!
Let's do another trick.
All right.